like your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow.
You're one and only.
Hey y'all, welcome to Chantel Ayamu's studio. I promised you all that I was going to give you a tour of my simple yet very functional studio space, where I'm going to be making all the content that you all love and are eager to watch. If you haven't watched the transformation video, I will link it in the card so you can see what this room was like before I worked on it. Okay, for starters, this is the wall, the POP wall. This wall was flat and out before, very dirty, but I wanted something that would just make the room, or the entire space actually, pop even more. So I opted for this. My vendor's name is Promise. I'll leave his number in the description box. Next is what I like to call the VVIP of this space. My name in light, Chantel Ayamu, considered much. Yeah, I know, I love myself that much. But yeah, basically I wanted something that will be more like a trademark, a branding thing. So if someone is coming to my channel for the first time, without me even saying my name, you already know my name is Chantel Ayamu. I got this done by a vendor in Abuja called Khalifa Creations. I contacted a lot of vendors, but his price was like the best, so I opted for him, and I like how it turned out. I opted for off-white color. I didn't want a lot of colors in this room, basically. It was a block of this, so I had them file it so that it becomes smaller. This is 2 inches by 1. I can't remember, but I'll put it on this. That's that with that. This is my plant, a very old one. It has been in my house for years, but I'm using it now and just ties in well with the space. Moving over to furniture. These chairs were made by a carpenter here in Port Harcourt. I got the plug from Tokoni of Football Fans Tribe. Yeah, that's his channel name. Carpenter's name is Lucky. Yes, so Lucky made my chair and my table. Chair is IKEA inspired and my table is Pinterest inspired. He did such an amazing job. I love the color of brown from my brand theme, aesthetics basically, and it's very, very comfy. I love the fabric he used, not the regular velvet. This is going to stand the test of time, and yeah, really, really nice. I also really like the gold legs. It just ties in well with my entire space. Love, love, love it. And it is matching really well with the table. This rug, if you remember my room transformation video, for those who are returnees on my channel, if you're a newbie, I'll leave it linked in the card. My mom gifted it to me. I love the black and white color combo. Ties in well, giving everything and more. If you know, you know. For pop of color, I added these throw pillows that I got from Shein. Go and watch the transformation video so you can understand the story behind this. This is DIY. Someone charged me a lot for it, but I did it with less than 2,000 or 2,005, aside the cover. And this is my calendar, also a planner, things I have to do written down. Set up camera, I did that on the 13th. Film 2 videos 14th, and today is the 15th. Studio reveal shoot, which is here, so I'm about to mark it as done when we're done actually. I also have this thing. It's a figurine with the word Queen of Everything written on it. I'm a myriad of competence, like I do any and everything. I got this from homeandco.ng. My business is still available and it's very cheap. I think about 2,000 Naira. Done with this area. Moving over to mirror. I really wanted this room to pop. I wanted it to give the illusion of a bigger space. So I opted to get more mirrors, 2 actually. So this one has been here for the longest time. And I love the irregular shape. I use it to touch up my makeup and just chill and vibe, basically. In this space, I wanted a situation where I don't have to look for power socket. I have 2 here and I have 2 down here for my lights, for my camera. Everything charging is sorted. The last furniture in this room happens to be my favorite actually. This mirror. The story behind this mirror. My artisan actually thanked me after I gave him this job because This mirror really pushed his creativity. He couldn't get it done. It's not something they are used to in this part of the world, actually, Nigeria. We're used to the regular straight mirror. So when I gave him this, he had to go and print it from a cyber cafe, print it on flex paper, and then took it there for them to cut to get my shape. So they tagged it the Amweba mirror, and I'm happy that he could do this, and it came out really nice. This is where I stay to do my OOTDs, take pictures, and all the shebang. The blind, that's the other thing I changed in this space. Before now, it was the regular sheer curtain here, but I opted for this just to give it that dim light or filtered light basically that I want. You know, the regular blind, you just turn it, but most of the time it's closed because I don't film with natural light anymore. Your girl has upgraded. That's it. I'm going to do a video on my filming gear. If you all want to see that, let me know in the comment section. So I'll film everything from my lighting to the camera I use right now, everything and anything that you want to know about that. Okay, so guys, that's it with my studio reveal tour. I hope you enjoyed watching. Is there anything that stood out in this space? What's your favorite item in this space? Like I mentioned, simple yet very, very functional. And I'm not mad at it, to be honest. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to Mobman for helping me film this. He's the guy behind the camera, and you guys, you already know that when a professional is doing something, the difference is clear. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you are yet to. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments in the comment section, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Let me know when you're ready. Okay. Where I'm going to be bringing up, what would I call this actually? The diamond in the room. Is setting something apart. What's the word? Like the main. Okay, let me just go again. I also love the gold legs. Before I film a video, like seeing after I gave him this job. Okay.
There was a time when I was trying to shoot the leg.
Oh, okay.
Like just stay, no, face me.
Okay.
Like, I like the view, so I want to run the
Okay.
Come close to the mirror later.
Like
And
this.
like turn into the mirror.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But not so much so that I still see your face.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay.
No, I didn't cut so you,
Jesus.
so you don't need to do
Thank
it.
you.
Just let it can keep.
Oh, thank you.
On PPL.
Didn't
Oh,
I
what
wait
was that?
for you? Didn't I say I'm sorry? Didn't I do the best I could? You have high expectations. Don't I know that you've explained it? How I should